Happy birthday, happy birthday to you, Pastor. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. So it's such an honor na celebrate si Cover sa iyang ika-8th birthday today. So February 1, 2024. So blessed dyan kayo si Cover na nag-inani dyan iyang parents, no? Nag-prepare yun to share their blessings sa mga kids, sa mga parents. So usa ka na kung kayo ng blessing na inahag-achieve silang anak, na malipay ng anak, and sila po nagsumalipay na malipay ng anak. No, kisa pagiging ka ng dili malipay ng anak. So without further ado, ato ang ipahag si Jollibee aron lugawas na kinsa excited na makita si Jollibee. Ano? Gaway ra? Kinsa excited na makita si Jollibee? Apil po ng mga kinikana. Apil, let's start. 10 to 1. Ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, my friend, your friend, and everybody's friend, woo, Jollibee! Let's give it up for Jollibee! Okay, alright! Alright! Nandito na si Jollibee! Alright! Wow, nandito na si Jollibee! Okay! Jollibee. Ato na pong kantahan ng for happy birthday si Coker. Okay, kina naman si Jollibee. So, hindi kayo na naa si Jollibee. Magkanta umusayo kagapin si Jollibee. Okay, ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Gusto? Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Pastor. Happy birthday to you. Oh, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Okay, thank you so much sa inyong cooperation. Okay, so karon kay nakita naman ninyo si Jollibee. Kids, kinsay first time na nakakita ni Jollibee karon? Ha? Kinsay nakita niyo ni Jollibee ng dako, ni damay ba yan? Yapon? Or kinsay part ni Jollibee ka ng damay? Ha? Wala, baba, dako, nagbaba si Jollibee. Tanang part ni Jollibee, dako. Ang niyahapong heart, dako. Dapat, Jolly always. Dapat malipayan na si Jollibee. Walang pagkain kihagwa na nakasmile na. Dapat inaanap mo kids. Balag mag-unsa ang atong life, dapat wear your smile lang yun. Okay? Don't forget to wear your smile every day. So again, happy birthday, Coker. God bless you and to the entire family. Okay? So, gusto mo makakita na mo sayaw si Jollibee? Nanabi na doon ng Renay no. Kinsa excited na mo sayaw si Jollibee? Hinay daw. Kinsa excited mo sayaw si Jollibee? Okay. And now, atong pasayawan si Jollibee since naabot siya dito sa mahayag Zamboanga del Sur. Everybody's friend, Jollibee. Okay, let's get it up, Jollibee. Kinsa ba kabalo mo sleep? Ah, ikaw? Sige daw, sample daw. Dikoy. Sa una kabalo, biyana, pero karon wag na, mukutok na mo mga bukog. Okay, thank you so much. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Faster. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Okay, blow the candle cover. Okay. Happy, a blessed birthday, Cooper.